Start.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected teachers and dear friends, today I want to talk about plastic is hazardous for life. Say no to plastic. Over the last few decades, humans have dumped tons of plastic garbage into the ocean. Around 58 lakh pieces of plastic junk per square kilometer were found in the Atlantic Ocean. Even from Warsaw beach of Mumbai, about 5 million kg plastics were removed by Advocate Afrosha. The plastic in the water affect the living creatures and harm them. It also causes indirect harm to our health when we eat seafood. Dear friends, let's understand how plastic affects our body and health. Humans suffer from some health issues because of plastic. For example, asthma, liver damage, brain damage, and kidney diseases. Dear friends, let's know how to reduce the use of plastic. Here is how we can avoid the use of plastic. Number 1. Carry on water and stop buying water bottles. Number 2. Always carry on shopping bag and stop the use of plastic in the form of bags. Number 3. Shop in bulk. This is one of the best ways to reduce packaging waste.